Hey, here TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I got another tank smoker rolling out of the shop today. Hey, that's fine with me. Been doing a lot of tank smokers lately. This is going on man Jacob in Chicago, and he's about to hook up to it, haul ass back home with it, but I wanted y'all to check her out first. So first off, it is a 250-gallon tank on our custom-built single axle trailer, guys. We build all of our trailers in-house. We design the trailer around your setup. This is a 6,000-pound axle, brake axle. Double frame rail trailer, real heavy duty, nice trailer. Now on the smoker, like I said, it's a TMG 250, a 250-gallon tank. You got your top trays, that's standard. Fold down stack, that's standard. Stationary bottom trays, they are removable out of there. You got a grease drain on the bottom. Check out that custom paint job. That British Racing Green. Really came out slick on this unit. We got the white wall tires on there, paint matched wheels, baby moon hubcaps. And on the firebox, guys, all of our tank smokers come standard with a fully insulated firebox. The door is insulated as well. You got your air intakes on the door there. On the back side here, Jacob did have us add a stainless steel prep top here. So unlatch it, fold it up. You got a bunch of storage underneath. Fold it back down, prep off of it, serve off of it. Really love these prep tops. You're gonna have a couple tables set up here anyways. Why not have a little extra prep station there? And he did add a TMG Dumpster direct heat cooker on the back here, guys. We do have a couple sizes of these. This is a smaller one. We've got a couple larger sizes too. This is 36 by 23. He does have a removable griddle top up here. This just sets up here in case you do need to use a griddle. We've got a tray down here as well. You can put charcoal on this and get your griddle hotter. You can cook on this when you have your fire on the bottom. All 3/16 steel, 1/4 inch on the bottom, as well as the bottom is insulated. A really slick setup here, guys. Love the way this one came out. It said about to haul ass back home to Chicago with it. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.